I want to talk about Aries in this video. You are not just the first sign of the zodiac, you are the initiators of the zodiac. You are the first spark of energy because you are connected with the pran, the life force energy. Now, every zodiac sign is connected with a certain kind of energy. And Aries, you are connected with the crown chakra because head and brain are connected with Aries. So, that cosmic energy entering the physical body to start something, that is the sign of Aries. Now, you act on that divine impulse to initiate something because you are the first cardinal sign, which is also the first fire sign ruled by the planet Mars, that is connected with the raw courage, that pure courage that is unfiltered in nature without any inhibitions, because there is nothing to look back, because there is no sign behind you. You are the first sign. You are here to keep moving forward. Act on that higher awareness and keep moving forward and take action to initiate something in life. See, cardinal signs are here to bring in change, bring in movement. Unlike fixed signs who are here to build something on solid ground, something stable, something fixed in nature, Aries, you are a cardinal sign along with Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, and you are the pioneers, the leaders, the initiators, and the change makers of the zodiac. You create movement. So embrace your superpower. Embrace your true gift, which is to initiate something. You have the power to barge into that unknown territory without any fears because you have that raw courage in you, that willpower in you, that drive in you. So embrace your energy, embrace your gift. I see so many Aries after a certain age and point of time that they start holding themselves back. They do not initiate much anymore. They want to, but they hold themselves back, which is not aligned to their true nature. Why do they do that? Because sometimes they are not able to maintain that momentum or complete it. But understand this, that Aries is not here to bring something to completion. Unlike the sign of Pisces, which is here to merge into consciousness, Aries is here to initiate something, and that is your power. Now, rest depends on your personal chart, where Saturn is placed, what aspects Aries is receiving, which will show the whole picture.